Hello everybody, I am Dr. V Kulkarni. I represent APICON chapter and API Navi Mumbai city chapter. Friends, I am going to speak today on digital twins in healthcare and precise personalized medicine as a future of clinical medicine. Don't get afraid, this is not rocket science. This is what has been practiced in industries for years together. What do you mean by digital twins? There are input signals from your body like pulse rate, blood pressure, blood sugar, your activity, how many calories you have spent, how many meters you have walked, and the blood sugar values, your respiration, your blood pressure. It has to be prepared as a big data, and then it is fed to computer that creates your digital twin. For example, you are taking carbohydrates for your lunch, and how each carbohydrate behaves in your body can be assessed by using the CGMS data when you put the details of what you have eaten for your lunch or dinner. You may be in a position to tolerate one carbohydrate better than the other. Same thing can happen as far as proteins and fats are concerned. Digital twinning is an excellent technology which keeps the patient engaged, and you get good results because the patient is motivated and he is engaged with different kind of activity. The second part is personalized medicine. Like Martin Luther King's words, I have a dream. My patients on cancer chemotherapy will not lose a hair. All the pelagic patients, whether it is hemiplegia or quadriplegia or paraplegia, they will start walking with the help of exoskeleton, and I will have least amount of pre-operative and post-operative complications. How it is possible? It is possible with the help of pharmacogenetics, and it tells you about which kind of drugs you are going to be susceptible and to develop actions like tardive dyskinesia, malignant hypertension, or even things like hair loss or developing severe bone loss after drugs like steroids. So precision medicine is the right medicine in the right dose to the right person with avoiding complications which are known to the medical science, but at the same time giving effect, and the graph is always up that the patient gets improved. He doesn't remain static in his clinical field or he doesn't deteriorate. Please do watch, and if you need any further information, please feel to contact me. Thank you very much.